Hi class. We're again going to do a method of undetermined coefficients problem. And we're going to see sometimes tricky stuff happens. In this case we're going to do number 5. And number 5 reads y double prime plus y prime minus 2y equals 3 e to the x. Okay. The first thing that we do is use the auxiliary equation to find the homogeneous solution. M squared plus m minus 2 equals 0. We could use the quadratic formula if we wanted, but I believe this one factors. Let's see, negatives is plus, and that should be minus. So m is negative 2 or 1. And the homogeneous solution is just c1 e to the negative 2x plus c2 e to the x. Okay, so our homogeneous solution is found. And now, when we go to guess a particular solution, our first guess would be a e to the x. It's supposed to just match g. But we can see already that there's a problem, because these overlap. That's a constant times an exponential. That's a constant times an exponential. What happens is, since this is in the homogeneous solution, if I plug it into my differential equation, I'm just going to get 0. So to fix this, what we have to do is to make a new guess. And the fix is easy. We just multiply it by x. So we're now going to have to guess x e to the x. So I'm just going to put a note here that says won't work, because it's already in the homogeneous solution. Okay, so once we've amended our guess to be x e to the x, we just continue just like we did before. So let's see, I have to use the product rule now. I'm going to get a x e to the x plus a e to the x. And I would try to simplify this as much as possible so I don't have to keep doing lots and lots of product rules. This is ax plus a e to the x. Yp double prime is, let's see, so if I take the derivative of the exponential, I'm just going to get ax plus a e to the x. And then if I take the derivative of the polynomial term, I'm just going to get a e to the x. And simplifying once again, I'm going to get ax plus 2a e to the x. So now that I have my derivatives of the guess, I'm just going to once again plug it back in to the differential equation and generate equations for, in this case, just a. So we should get one equation with one unknown. Yp double prime is ax plus 2a e to the x. Yp prime, so plus yp prime is, let's see, it's here, so ax plus a e to the x minus 2yp is minus 2ax times e to the x. When I add these together, I'm supposed to get 3 e to the x. But what I actually get is 0x plus 3a e to the x, which tells me that 3 equals 3a. Notice the 0 term canceled out, which is good, because we can continue our problem now. 3 equals 3a has solution a equals 1. So that tells me that y sub p is, well, we have to be a little careful. We've written down our first initial guess, and the reason I wrote won't work is so that we don't just try to plug in a back into there. We plug it into our amended guess. A is 1, so we just get x e to the x. I'm going to mark where the particular solution is, because the general solution is just y sub p plus y sub h. And that's it.